beautiful girl, Mindy.
Huh? Can I throw it?
You want to throw the frisbee? Okay. Anything you want. But be gentle. Whoa. Wow, are you trying to kill someone? Mindy? Mindy, good girl. Come, Mindy. That's a good girl. Look at this beautiful Mindy. Such a
Fluffy
good girl. The best girl. One of the best girl we've ever rescued. So calm, so gentle. Just a really great girl. Wesley? Wesley? This is Mindy, the best girl. Hi, Min. This is Wesley. Wesley, can you sit here? Oh, good sit. Look at that. Okay, pat it on the head. Yeah, good girl, Mindy. Very, very safe with the young children. Such a good girl. Such a good. Mindy? Mindy? Always will behave. Just very, very gentle. Mindy, you want to come up? And you crazy fluff? Whoa, 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 what happened? Oh! Stuck up there. Mindy, you don't have to be so polite. You can come up, you know, Mindy girl. Oh, Mindy girl. Yeah, that's okay. You want to sit on me? Yeah, that's a good girl. Mindy. Such a good girl, Mindy.
Yeah. We need a chair.
Want to get a chair? Mindy girl.
I almost got it. I need a higher chair.
No, you need to go taller. Here, Mommy, get it for you.
Again?
Can you put the chair back?
Okay.
The chair back.
Again? Oh.
Huh?
Again?
Okay, but don't throw it at Mindy, okay? Mindy's such a good girl. Don't throw it at her. How about? Whoa. Oh, that's so crazy. Mindy, come. Mindy, do you want some treat? Let's get some treat for you.
Hi.
Mindy, come. Mindy, come. Mindy?
What's this?
Mindy?
What's this?
Mindy doesn't like that. Good girl. Good girl. Yum. Hey Wesley, can you find me Mommy a new bag there?
No.
You don't know where? Yeah.
This one.
Let me see. Show Mommy that one. Is that my yummy treat? Show Mommy.
They look like sticks.
Let's see if it's yummy. Ooh, what are these?
No.
Dental chew. Okay, we could try these. Oh, it's
I'm
open
going to
already.
use it again.
Huh?
I'm going to use this again.
Okay.
Now, right
Ooh.
here.
That's it. No more.
So?
Bell. Oh, yeah. Put that in there. Yeah,
Oh,
good,
oh.
Mindy. It's okay. Yeah, gentle. Yeah, that's a good girl, Mindy. You want this? No more? Okay, no more.